So in this video, I'm going to be reviewing my CCTV system at my house. I've made a video on this, but it was terrible when I watched it back, so I thought I'd redo it, make it a lot better. So let's jump into it. Welcome back to Home Lab Networks. My name is AJ. Now this is a redo of a review I did on my CCTV home security system. I rewatched that video back and it was just horrible compared to this video I've made today. So I just want to do a recap of what I run with. So the brand is ZOSI, and it's an 8-channel DVR. Unfortunately, it's not power over Ethernet. I wish it was, but at the time I bought it for about $150. So it was either going to be good or really bad. And surprisingly, I highly recommend this system for a cheap system for people who aren't looking to spend thousands and thousands and hundreds of dollars on a system, because I wasn't prepared for that. But since running this system, I would happily spend that money on a system. Now I've got all up 8 cameras set up at my house for my home security. The 8 dome cameras, I have got 4 bullet cameras in storage, just in case one stuffs up or doesn't work properly. I've got backups. But the quality of the camera, like it is a cheap material, like cheap plastic. You can feel it when you mount it up the cameras. But for $150, you can't really complain too much. Like I set it up myself, plugged it all in, and it works. I've put an 8 terabyte hard drive in this system, which is overkill, but I had a spare 8 terabyte laying around, so I just put it in this system. But as far as the quality of the cameras, like it's a really nice HD quality. I think these ones are only 1080p from memory, but it's a nice quality on playback. The only issue I have with this system is on the app on the phone and the computer program, it is blurry live, but playback it's HD quality. So my only issue is the viewer for the cameras over the network on the phone and on the computer program. Like the actual DVR itself, it works fine with quality, and the night vision isn't too bad. I've got to clean my lenses. As of right now, it is a bit blurry, but for a cheap system, I recommend this out to people, and I'll leave a link in the description. And overall, I give it about an 8 out of 10. I would buy this again with no issue, but I'm gonna move forward to the PoE systems. And yeah, so that's pretty much all I have to say. So my name's AJ, thanks for watching, thank you for the subscribers, and we'll see you in the next video.